here's our room, guys. Number 33, Crazy Bear, Beaconsfield. As you come in, you've got another door. The main door you can lock. This interior door, you can't.
Hi.
Here she is, she's enjoying herself.
I am.
We just got the bags in. So, where do we start? Got this massive mirror with one hell of a couch.
Yes.
Looks very comfy. We get complimentary glass of champagne
On arrival.
on arrival, and it looks like a bottle of water.
Yes.
Here's the remote for the TV, which is up there on the wall.
Which you can connect to Netflix.
Them lights next to the TV look insane on this camera.
Yeah.
You got another chair right next to it. That's got my jacket on. This insane rug, which looks comfy as hell. I might have to sleep on there tonight. Like, even the flooring's just the detail they put in. The door, like, it's cool, isn't it?
It's amazing.
The bed looks huge. Is it comfy?
Yes.
Give us a jump.
Yes.
We got, it's like a floating
Oh yeah, like a
bedside
side
cabinet, or bedside shelf, should I say. Plugs either side, the phone's just down there. Again, the lighting, it's quite dark in here, but it's a cool little setting.
There's a little secret compartment over here.
Yes. This is our little wardrobe space. Oh, look at that.
I know.
I haven't actually been in it yet. Got our robes, ironing board, hairdryer, everything we need. I like how it's like stashed out the way.
Yeah.
And then this insane staircase. Now this is the only room with 2 floors, I think.
Floors.
I like the detail. She's gone, she's off.
I'm here.
Like the walls are all velvet or leather.
Very
I love the tiles, the marble tiles.
I know.
You got a his and her sink,
His and her
golden,
baths.
nice big mirror. We got the
And
2
baths.
copper baths, which
Fill it from above.
they look huge. They're huge. They're actually huge.
No.
You fill them up. Go on, give us a show.
Oh wait.
So here are the taps. And that's how they fill up. Which is pretty cool.
I know.
What stuff do they give us as well?
Little.
Conditioner, body lotion, shampoo, body wash. Another mirror just there.
They are very big.
You're gonna get in. The shower. I love the shower. It's
Look
just.
how little I am.
I love how open it is.
I'm so little. The bath's so big.
That's how big it is. It's
You're
massive.
filling these up later.
It's the shower.
The shower's very nice too. Waterfall.
Like I said, it's so open. And the bath is not the bath. The toilet's just sat there.
I know.
It's open. I love how open it all is. Like, I knew this room was nice booking it, but
I know.
it's beaten
It's just
all my
the decor and all
expectations.
The flowers and everything.
Just all the details.
It's beautiful. I don't want to leave the room.
Yeah, I know. That's why I wanted to get it
Oh,
for when we could.
love it.
Let's just
that
head on
one.
downstairs and just show them from this way as well. I don't want to leave.
I know. And to say that you're right by the road, well, outside, it's very quiet and you feel private.
This is awesome.
I know. Don't want to stand on the rug. Let's try the sofa.
TV. We are going to
Oh.
chill.
The sofa.
But what a room.
These comfy.
I fancy getting in them baths. What about you?
I know.
Plenty of room.
I'm so happy.
You're
I've been
happy.
to come for ages.
Thanks for watching the tour, guys. If you did like it, give us a subscription because we do plenty of these. We like to go bankrupt, don't we?
Enjoy.
And like the video. But yeah, let's go.